It is time for the Petcom feature of the week. Check it out. I'm looking for mosquitoes to clap.
Petcom Orchards, why customers keep coming back to this area?
People come back because they get this service that is one of the best they can find anywhere in Jamaica. And then guess what happens? It's the only gas station you can come and find attendants at the pump 24 hours of the day. We have to be realistic and we have to change with the times. Because people no longer just drive their cars and park. People have to actually go about their business. Then you have the police, you have other people. Because if you look over there, you see like digital vehicle come there because they collect fuel from us for their generators. In case something runs out at night, they have to come and pick up the fuel. And then people do need to operate their businesses and people need to go about their daily business and everybody's routine is different. So if my routine is different from yours then, and I work from 12 midnight until in the morning, then I can come and get my gas. I can, but not only gas, but a wide range of lubricants and so forth. So anything can happen to you in the night, you come to Petcom Orchards and get what you want. We're trying to put it, to make it the model of service stations in Jamaica. And right now where we are, we are actually now the envy of service station.
How long has this Petcom been in operation?
From March 2006. So actually, we started as a gas station, then we added it with a convenience store, but now we have made it into a full-fledged supermarket. And not only a full-fledged supermarket, but we've added the pharmacy. And we have Paymaster. You come here as a customer, you come here, you can get your gas. You can get diesel oil if it's a diesel vehicle. You can get lubricants, right? And then you can go into the supermarket and buy food. And then you can go to the pharmacy and you pay your bills there too. So what you're actually getting is a holistic approach towards service in Jamaica.
On a serious note, it's a season for party and we need to remember when we party responsibly. It's time for the Rum Bar Drinkers Tip of the Week. So check it out and dating responsibly. Wow!
This responsible drinking tip brought to you by Rum Bar Rum. Always assign a designated driver even if no one plans to get drunk. Make sure you know what is in your drink. If you're going to a party and especially if you are a female, never leave your drink unattended. Only accept drinks from a trusted friend. This responsible drinking tip brought to you by Rum Bar Rum.
Now I've been chopping mosquitoes all day. Right now I feel to be a little bit on the good side and give away something courtesy of mothers. Remember, Mother's Christmas spree is still on. They're giving away a whole bunch of things. And right now I feel to give away some meals courtesy of mothers. Now the first person to email me, remember the email address is right on the screen and you have to be in Jamaica. You have to be in Jamaica to be eligible. So the first person to email me the correct amount of Mother's Restaurant in Orchards. I don't know, I have a bag of things for give from Mother's. I have some free jerk chicken, I have free patty, I have everything. See them right here, so? Chicken, one bag of something courtesy of Mother's. So just first person to email me, how many mothers are there in Orchards? A beer or something. And remember, you have until December 1st. So just send in answer. Wow! You know, we just ambush a lady right now in the suit. I'm just taking it off her because I think it fit me better. I'm full of them little karate style there. Remember, we're still in Orchards. A pet company I get a bag of trouble. You know, it's all about Pree Dis. I am Curdy. We're going for the last break. Bag of things gonna come back. Keep it locked.